alpha into 2v naught sine alpha or g, excuse me, sorry. By rearranging the above equation, we will get x is equal to v naught square, just v naught multiplied with v naught, and we will get v naught square sine 2 alpha, because 2 cos alpha sine alpha is equal to sine 2 alpha. This is double angle formula, so we can write by using this formula and multiply cos sine alpha cos alpha into 2, we can write sine 2 alpha, v naught square v into v naught square over g. This is actually the value of the x and the maximum height of the projectile. Similarly, the velocity of projectile. So how we will calculate the velocity of the projectile? Velocity of projectile. So at any time t, let p be the position of the particle such that, we suppose that p is the position of the particle on projectile graph. So we suppose that OP is the position in xy plane, so we can write OP is equal to R is equal to x I unit vector plus y j unit vector. So if the v is the velocity of the projectile at any point p, then by the principle of the energy we can write decrease in kinetic energy, because we know that the kinetic energy is due to the motion of the particles and the potential energy is due to the position of the particle. So we can write decrease of kinetic energy is always equal to work done against gravity. So decrease in kinetic energy mean we can write half mv naught square, the kinetic energy at initial minus kinetic energy, and suppose the final velocity is v, so minus final velocity, so we will get the decrease of the kinetic energy from final kinetic energy to minus initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy is always equal to works mean W, which is equal to mg mg. Here we have height because like this. Here we have the height because we know that W is equal to mgh. So here we have height is equal to y. So we can write, instead of h we can write y. So from this equation we can write half m is taken as a common, and we will get v naught square minus v square is equal to mg y. M cancel with sum, and we will get v naught square minus v square is equal to 2g y, and v square is equal to v naught square minus 2gy, and we can write 2g, which is taken as common, and we will get v naught square or 2g minus y, and 2g just we can write 2g and say that excuse me, the height of the